Your liver does a lot to keep you healthy, especially acting as your body's filter to clear out toxins. But when you work it too hard, with heavy drinking, chronic viral infections, or eating an unhealthy diet for too long, it can develop its own health problems. Few people know when their liver is failing, and that can put you more at risk for serious illness. People with liver failure are more likely to develop liver cancer. But most aren't even aware of what causes liver failure, much less the symptoms. Here are 4 of the most common signs of liver failure and possible treatments. See your doctor if you notice any of these issues. Number 1. Fluid retention. This is the most common sign of liver disease, appearing in 50% of people who have cirrhosis, a condition in which scar tissue replaces healthy liver tissue. Accumulating fluid may cause distension in your abdomen, or swelling in your legs. This happens when high blood pressure develops in your liver veins, or when your liver is unable to make albumin, a protein that prevents leaks from your bloodstream into tissue. Treatment options. A low-sodium diet may help alleviate mild fluid retention. For moderate to severe retention, your doctor may prescribe diuretics, commonly known as water pills. Severe cases often call for paracentesis, using a needle to drain abdominal fluid. Number 2. Jaundice. This condition causes darker urine, and a yellowish tint in skin, or the whites of your eyes. It appears when bilirubin, a pigment that forms when red blood cells break down, builds up in your bloodstream. A healthy liver absorbs bilirubin, and converts it into bile. Your body then excretes it in stool. Jaundice is a severe sign of liver failure. If you have jaundice, your doctor may evaluate you for a liver transplant. Number 3. Bleeding. Your liver typically cycles about 25% of your blood from the portal vein. But cirrhosis creates an opportunity for bleeding. You may vomit blood or notice blood in stool or rectal bleeding. Usually, the flow through the liver is like driving through a high-speed highway, it's quite rapid. But when you have cirrhosis, that highway, because of scarring, becomes a bumpy road or a big traffic jam. Consequently, the blood tries to find detours. Those detours send blood to your spleen, which enlarges as it tries to relieve the congestion. Varicose veins may develop in your esophagus and stomach, and these enlarged veins can also easily bleed. A healthy liver produces clotting proteins. But a sick liver can't, and more bleeding results. An enlarged spleen collects platelets from your bloodstream. A low platelet count makes you more susceptible to nosebleeds and bleeding gums. If you're vomiting blood, go to the emergency room immediately. Doctors will evaluate and stop your bleeding using an upper endoscopy. If bleeding is severe, they may implant a stent to connect veins running in and out of your liver and create a new pathway for the blood. Number 4. Confusion. When your liver is unable to filter toxins, they may travel to your brain. The resulting condition, known as hepatic encephalopathy, can cause confusion, memory problems, lethargy and coma. The standard treatment is the laxative lactulose. It binds to toxins in your colon, and flushes them out before they get into your bloodstream. Making your own tea blend, with herbs for liver health. Liver tea blend is a favorite in the late winter and spring, which is a traditional time to focus on herbs for liver health. It's lovely first thing in the morning, and also makes a wonderful after-meal tea to help promote healthy digestion. What you'll need: 2 teaspoons, 7 grams, dried roasted dandelion root cut, sifted. 1 teaspoon, 3 grams, dried roasted chicory root cut, sifted. 1 teaspoon, 4 grams, cacao nibs. 1/2 teaspoon, 1 gram, orange peel dried and cut, sifted. 1/2 teaspoon, less than 1 gram, dried turmeric root cut, sifted. Small pinch freshly ground black pepper, coarse. 16 ounces of water. Milk or milk substitute, optional. Honey or desired sweetener, optional. 1. Combine all the ingredients into a small saucepan. 2. Bring to a boil and then simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. 3. Strain. 4. Add milk and honey as desired. It makes one serving. Remember, if you want to make a bigger batch of this tea blend, just use larger measurements or parts. For example, you could substitute teaspoons with cups. Also, remember to always check with your doctor before making any changes to your diet. If you find this information useful, hit the like button, share this, subscribe to our channel, and make sure you hit the bell to get notification of our latest content.